Established in 2014, ZONESUN Technology Limited is located in Donzhou Town, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China's renowned daily hardware hub. The company operates from a modern facility and is supported by a professional team specializing in R&D, marketing, and management. We are dedicated to delivering reliable products and exceptional customer service. With an integrated online and offline global marketing strategy, we continue to expand our presence in international markets, including the United States, Canada, Italy, Brazil, and Russia. Our management philosophy emphasizes diversification, bold innovation, attentive service, and integrity, earning us high recognition and long-term trust from customers worldwide. ZONESUN Technology Limited looks forward to establishing successful partnerships with new clients around the world. We will always maintain a humble attitude and remain committed to providing better products, better service, and greater value.